recycling plastic? What is your role? So, to start off is a group from the Pohnpei. They will do their presentation. Maybe I can ask a rep from the group. Maybe we'll give them a few minutes to settle. And they will do their presentation this afternoon. Can we give a round of applause while we wait for them to set up on stage? Thank you.
Ang porta mo na amok mo tala masok pon ka porta. Mga ma. Sabi niya. Kaya sir. Bueno, yun. Receiver on. Well, on. Yung pangangin complete.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pwuhng. I am a new member of the V6AH and I will be explaining the decorations on the house. If you can see on the blue sections, we have some key animals such as the mangoes, the mascot, the fish, would you believe me if all of these decorations were made out of plastic bags? Well, you better believe it because it is indeed made. Including the trash, the white trash bag that is crocheted to support the bottles to stay together. Some plastic bags are weak, so our advisor would get old socks, sweaters, and hats from a second-hand store and use the yarn. And these beautiful decorations were crocheted and made by our advisor, Miss Valentina. The decorations use the 3 R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. That is all I have to say, and now I will pass the mic to my fellow member, Luciano.
Castelleria and hello. Before I start, I want to thank our FNF Father for this beautiful day and to welcome our honored guests to Pohnpei. As you can see here, we planted pepper seeds and cucumber seeds in soil, which is in a stack of eggs garden. The eggs gardens are biodegradable, meaning they are good for the environment. You can also plant it in the ground while it's in the garden. Moving on to the next item. This next item was made by the first grade class of our school during season of creation, a time where we reflect on how we take care of the earth. This is a daily reminder that our trash doesn't just harm us, but also living creatures. The ocean. Throwing trash away properly will assure a better tomorrow for all. Thank you and bye. Thank you all.
Hey. Thank you, PCS. That was a wonderful presentation. And yes, a reminder to the community, schools, businesses, government, that we all have a role to play by promoting recycle programs, improving waste collection systems, and educating people about responsible waste management. Next up is a team from YAP. May I have a team from YAP to introduce their item. YAP team. As we wait, maybe we give them a few minutes to get things set up. Thank you. Kamorale!
Hello. Meron eh. Ab, wala ba nagtawag ako sa kalaw?
Lubog siya ngayon. Kailangan na pinipinihan ngayon na like.
Ito kalpag mo ba ito?
Yeah.
Akin na lang. Ikaw kaya ulit ako siya sabi na nga. Kala ka ba? Tulad ng station sila pa. Mama. Ito nilang pakita. Ito kong tamper pa.
Ivan Pwuhng, marami po ba?
Okay.
Galaxy
1360. Kung overseer, Roland Shaw. Roland Shaw. Hey, XAUL. XAUL.
Mugisin everyone! One more time! Mugisin everyone! Ay, kamukha. And on behalf of YAP, we have one of the most beautiful beauties in YAP, as you are looking at her right now. During my time in YAP, you look all over Colonia, our capitals, you could see a lot of beer tips, beer cans all over the place, screen all over the place, plastic straps all over the places. So it is the recycling program, combination of land grant, youth service. They meet together. How can they help improve to keep YAP clean, to make it a better living place and healthy place for a betterment of YAP? So, a lot of ladies in YAP try to make use of the beer can tips, the pins, as you can see on her hand. It is common in YAP to walk around with a basket. Then back in the 80s, they start the basket with using a beer and soft drink pins. And that's what you are looking at. What keeps them together is the plastic straps. At the bottom is a piece of screen. That practice keep on going until today. As those of you who have been in YAP in the 80s, compared to the 90s, compared to the 2000s, yes, it did make a betterment of YAP, and it helped keep YAP a better place to live in, become healthier than before. Walk around the place, you could see a lot of people. You know, there are a lot of animals around. Blow your nose using a piece of tissue, throw it away. You try to throw it into the trash, but the dogs tip the trash over. A lot of people chew cigarette. The cigarette butts, they throw them on the floor. That's really common among the youth, I'm sorry. So people make use of those cigarette filters. So as you could see what she have on right now, that beautiful lei, it's made of hibiscus and cigarette filter. That's what she have on her neck, and also a lot of beautiful lace. Well, you have seen one yesterday on my head. All made of cigarette filters and hibiscus. As you walk around YAP today, you can barely see those cigarette butts. The cigarette butts you will see on the floor are those who smoke. And those who smoke become less and less in YAP. During my time back in the early 70s, back in the late 70s, smoking is common among the youth in YAP. Come to the 80s, start getting less. 90s, getting less. Today, at YAP High School, I don't know if there's any YAP High School student who smoke. If there is, I haven't seen around. I cannot lie to you. As well as other schools, that YAP High School is the only public high school we have. The rest are a private high school, and burning it and chewing cigarette, you know how it is. Not allowed on the campus. Not allowed on the campus. Once you are caught, automatically out of the school. You are expelled. And that really helped the youth of YAP. Walking around the village, I could see a lot of youth chew cigarette. But in my village, there's no youth smoke cigarette. You smoke cigarette beside them, they stood up and walk away. So that really helped the betterment of YAP. Make use of the beer can pins, cigarette butts, plastic strap. I hope other sistering states could do the same, because if it helped YAP, it could help the others. And ladies and gentlemen, and that is for the show for YAP State. Kamorale.
Thank you, Team YAP. And yes, plastic recycling is not a complete solution to plastic pollution, but it's an important part of protecting our environment. By making responsible choices every day, we can reduce pollution, conserve valuable resources, protect wildlife, and help create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for future generations. Every recycled bottle, container, or package is set toward a better future. With that, I just want to announce that my team at tourism, we're doing a workshop with plastic repurpose across all 4 states. Because us here at tourism, it's not about promoting the country, but we're also focusing on the environment as well. We want the communities, the schools to also keep in mind that, you know, we need to take care of our environment. Our next theme is presentation from Pushrai. May I ask representative from the team maybe to set up, give them a bit of time to set up, and then we start. Thank you.
Thank you, MC. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we invite you to witness the creativity, innovation, and passion of the young people of Kusrai. On behalf of the Kusrai Youth Delegation, it is our honor to present our Youth Creativity and Sustainability Showcase, a celebration of our youth, our transformation every day, discarded material into meaningful, beautiful, and sustainable creation that reflects our island value and commitment to protecting our environment. To lead us through this spatial presentation, please join me in giving a warm Micronesian welcome to one of our outstanding young leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Sharon.
The Kusrai delegation is honored to present a creative expression that reflects not only the ingenuity of our people, but also our commitment to sustainability and the preservation of traditional knowledge. Today, we proudly showcase a simple yet remarkable household craft, a hand-woven flora created entirely by discarded fabric scraps and repurposed onion mesh bags. What many would consider waste has been transformed into a durable, functional, and beautiful item for everyday use through the art of upcycling and repurposing. This innovative craft embodies the timeless wisdom of our elders. Long before sustainability became a global movement, the people of Kusrai practiced resourcefulness by finding new purpose for materials that would otherwise be discarded. Rather than throwing away leftover fabric, they carefully cut, folded, and wove each piece into recycled onion mesh bags. creating colorful rugs that could withstand years of daily use. More importantly, this tradition represents the passing of knowledge from one generation to the next. The skills demonstrated today were lovingly taught by our respected Pwuhng senior citizens, who have shared this practical craft with our youth. Through their guidance, our young people are learning that creativity is not measured by what we buy, but by what we can create with our own hands while caring for our environment. These handcrafted rugs continue to be found in many Pwuhng homes, serving as a reminder that sustainability begins at home and that even the simplest materials can be transformed into something meaningful and lasting. These handcrafted rugs continue to be found. As we celebrate creativity during this year's Micronesia Expo, we also celebrate the enduring values of innovation, environmental stewardship, intergenerational learning, and cultural resilience. By preserving traditions such as this, we honor our past while inspiring a more sustainable future. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in recognizing the creativity and craftsmanship in the youth of Pwuhng as they proudly present this beautiful example of sustainable living. Salamat and thank you.
Thank you very much. That's it for Team Pwuhng delegation. Kalangan.
Thank you, Team Pohnpei. And again, if you want to take a closer look to the creativity and sustainability, you can visit their booth. They will showcase it there more closely. We invited you to go see it more closer. Repurposing plastic is a simple yet powerful way to reduce waste and protect our environment. Instead of throwing away plastic, we can give it a second life by turning into something useful and creative. Every effort, no matter how small, helps conserve resources, reduce pollution, and protect wildlife. Together, by choosing to repurpose, reuse, recycle plastic, we can build cleaner communities and a more sustainable future for generations to come. The future of our islands depends on the choices we make today. Let's make every piece of plastic count. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes today's activity. However, I encourage everybody to visit the booth. They're still here on the ground to visit the booth and support the local vendors. Thank you.
Nay. Nabubuan na kayo, nabubuan na kayo.
Hindi naman niya doon na nakapasay. Pero yun ako na print out there.
Okay, okay.
Baway na tayo ikaw, at ibig lang. Yes.
Youth talent show, that kind of entertainment na rin. Sound like the moment of
Wala na isip mo?
Kaya mo mo? Naglakap tanto.
Mawag. Ganit na pagkot ako.
Kaya sakaw.
Sakaw niya.
Pwede sa mga kaunap ko. Ano?
Tulog ako.
O yan? Dito magkano. Kailangan. Nangyay yung ano kapag yun. Suyak yung prasakro. Yung bacon. Pwede ba nang Kaukan.
Up! Wait! Run! Wait, daughter!
Ano ta?
Wait, daughter!
Ay. Boys pa ako tayo. Ay, ito ko lang live lang. Yo, Joseph. Bawa siya. Ali.
Nagkakabayari talaga kasi. Ha? Pagkatap. Pahrek, magkakatap.
Baby,
Nakap, count mo. Nakakawala na ka ba, Jay? Jay. Control, stone gauge, nakap. Control, stone gauge, nakap.